The table is set, the main dish all prepped and good to go, and service hours are from early morning to early evening on Monday, with all those with invites urged to come to be counted and served. Our Luisa Erispe has more on the pole body declaring itself 100% ready for Monday's big event.
The Commission on Elections, or COMELEC, is all systems go for the 2025 midterm elections. According to COMELEC, as of now, they are monitoring reports and putting up contingency measures in case of emergencies on the election day.
Handa po ang COMELEC. Siyempre, lagi sa isang operation, sa isang ganito, meron biglang pumapasok na problema, issue. Ang importante, intact yung aming contingency measures, intact yung aming operation plan sa kung ano ang gagawin ng komisyon pagka mga ganito.
In case of calamities, the poll body has also tasked people to assure that the elections will push through. Their main goal for this national and local elections is that there will be no failure of election or postponement of the political exercise.
Sana sa ganung pagkakataon, sana po walang postponement ng eleksyon na mangyayari at sana wala ng failure of election sa kahit na anong presinto sa buong bansa.
On the other hand, the poll body reminded candidates that the campaign period will end at 11:59 p.m. tomorrow. As much as possible, candidates must have their posters removed before Saturday. On election day, they should not engage in any form of campaigning. They are also not allowed to bring supporters when casting their vote, and any kind of solicitation, even through food or free rides, is also prohibited. Distributing sample ballots on polling place is also banned. Anyone caught may be held liable for violating the election code.
Babala natin pagkatapos bumoto o bago bumoto, huwag na lang pong ikot ng ikot sa polling place kasi baka ma-consider pa yan na pangangampanya. Dapat po dire-diretso na lang sa pagboto, dire-diretso na rin tayo sa ating pong pag-uwi.
The polling places will open at 5 in the morning for senior citizens, PWDs, and pregnant women. But for regular voters, precincts will allow them to vote from 7 in the morning to 7 in the evening.
Huwag na po natin habulin yung eksaktong alas 7. Although naintindihan natin yung iba, maaaring may mga inaasikaso pa kaya hindi kaagad sila nakakaboto na maaga. Pero mas maaga po, mas maganda.
Meanwhile, the palace announced that international election watchdogs are in the Philippines to observe the upcoming elections. According to Palace Press Officer Attorney Claire Castro, this is a clear proof that the elections in the Philippines is organized and transparent.
Para sa hangaring malinis at tapat na halalan, nagsama-sama ang lahat ng election watchdogs mula sa mga pribadong organisasyon, simbahan, kabataan at iba pang sektor. Sa kanilang mahigpit na pagbabantay, matitiyak na ang bawat boto ay mabibilang ng tama at ang bawat boses ng mamamayan ay maririnig.
From PTV Manila, Luisa Erispe, Balitang Pambansa.